Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn the easy Will Smith profile picture tutorial in Canva. So for us to be able to get started, just go ahead and upload your photo first. So you should be able to upload that one here. On the left side, there is an upload button, and you should be able to click on the upload files to add in your own photo. So for example, I want to use this photo. So simply click onto that, and then right after, let's resize this one out to make this bigger. Now right after, let's try to change the color of the background first. Click onto the back of it, click on the background color here onto the upper part, and you should be able to find a different colors in here to use. So we could use this one, or we could go ahead and try to search for the specific color. So let's make it more yellowish. This one. Let's try to resize again our photo in here. Let's make this one bigger. And if your photo still has a background, just simply click onto this, edit the image, and then right after, you should be able to find in the background remover in here. And then right after that, you should be able to find in effects here. If you scroll down, click onto that one, and then we'll add in a shadow for this one. So we'll try to use a glow in here. And then right after, you could go ahead and try to readjust also in there the different things such as its size, its blur amount, and the intensity for this. Let's zero out the blur, and then let's try to change the color for this one to white. Then right after, make this bigger, and then the intensity as well, just like that. So make this until 23 or 24. And right after, just head back. And then under filters, let's click on to see all. Let's scroll down until you can find in mono. And for this one, we'll try to use this one, the Nor. Let's make this a little bigger and reposition it. And just like that, you already achieved the easy Will Smith profile picture. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.